all the odds that have been stacked against Huawei, the flagship lives on along with other Mate devices. It's coming officially on September 19th. We've got full set of official images for the Mate 30 family, the Mate 30 Pro, Mate 30, Mate 30 Lite, and the Mate 30 RS Special Porsche Edition. All thanks to the main leaker Evan Blass, we have the full look. And along with all of this, Huawei has been sharing a lot of trailers for the Mate 30 family, mainly regarding the video capabilities of this phone, so we're going to take a look at that as well. So first up, as you can see, the Mate 30 Pro is going to be the second phone on the market. This is a high quality 1440p AMOLED display, just pouring over the side, completely eliminating the side bezel. Guys, I have to be honest, it looks incredible. This is the eventual direction for smartphone designs. It's been said that Samsung is behind this tech. Most likely the next flagship phone from Samsung can also get this. According to Ice Universe, this is the direction for the future. Even Apple is... According to some case leaks, the Mate 30 Pro is even bigger than the Note 10 Plus. Here we have a case leak which has the Galaxy Note 10 Plus in it, so you can see the space on the top, which could make the Mate 30 Pro the biggest flagship of this year. With a waterfall screen, Huawei has also eliminated the chin, so it's very mid cameras. I believe that it could have a wide angle selfie feature along with depth sensor. I've seen some serious improvement when it comes to the front camera on Huawei phones, so this time the Mate 30 Pro could bring some real gains when it comes to selfie. It's definitely better than what Google and Apple is doing in my opinion. One Pro Mate 30 model comes with a smaller notch that has two cameras, a flat display, and a very minimal chin. It's gonna have a lot of features common with the Mate 30 Pro, but some of the main awesome features will still be exclusive to the Pro model. There's also a Mate 30 Lite that comes with a punch hole design. This could be a LCD display with a punch hole screen, and it will be super budget version of the Mate 30 family. And other than these three phones, we're gonna see the Mate 30 RS Special Edition. This is going to be super expensive. It's probably gonna cost near $2,000. It could have 55 hours of fast charging, all that premium grade Huawei goodness with built-in 5G and all that stuff. Again, we'll see what extra features we'll get with this one compared to the Pro model, with another main 40 megapixel cine lens sensor for video, and the rest is the zoom and the wide angle lens. This time Mate 30 Pro will bring some serious gains when it comes to video, with some insane low light video performance and with a professional grade look, as we have seen with these teasers that Huawei has been showing regarding the Mate 30 Pro family. It's also going to have a super slow-mo feature as well. We don't know how much frames per second will be there, but it's looking really nice in these teasers. Actually announced, it's the first chip to have the 16-core Melee GPU, so it's going to be super powerful when it comes to the graphical stuff. But I'm a little bit disappointed because I thought it's going to be based on the latest Cortex A77 cores from ARM, but instead it's actually based on the Cortex A76. Despite all of that, GPU is going to be one of the first chips to have the integrated 5G modem. It's also going to be based on the latest EUV 7nm process, making it more power efficient compared to the last gen chip. A quad-core NPU is inside as well, so AI stuff, especially the night mode, will be massively improved. The main leading feature of this processor is the real-time video noise reduction feature. With this feature and the Cine lens, the Mate 30 Pro could really become the best phone when it comes to videos. It's going to shoot some really crisp, low-light videos with less noise. Huawei has been bringing consistent innovations when it comes to camera games, so this is going to be something that I'm very excited about. Other features include a 4500 mAh. You can expect is 40 watts of fast charging,